My God. The son of the lion. Mufasa. Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, the Snow Father. I am not killing no gangsters right now. Me gonna play some Red Dead Redemption 2. Cause you know my grandmama loved this game, even though it was never invented back then. Yes, my grandmama will bless us on our adventure. Yes, I think I see a white horse from here. Like the soul of my grandma. Let me use... Oh, never mind, it's a campsite. Yes. But where's my lazy worker, Pikachu? I will have his ass fired if he is not present in this moment. Hey. It is the son of Flash after all. You just sound like
what do you want? Snore Father.
Come here. Your lateness will not be tolerated, Pikachu.
What's that for? My Snore Father.
You give it a try, see if you're better than me. You are one of my hired guns anyways. Without the guns, because you know YouTube trying to... Oh, shoot, the gun fired. Never mind. What did I just let you to the controller for 1 second? You already killed somebody. No, I'm just kidding. You shot a rock. But yeah. They have to make it dramatic for the viewers. Yes, I'm talking about you. Deal with it.
Why were you...
You're the one who's... Well, I can't believe you can't record with one hand, Pikachu. I should really fire you. My grandmama is so disappointed of you.
I'm a goddamn badass at this game.
You haven't done shit. I mean, shizzle, McGriddle. Yes, I love the McGriddle.
You mean like Snoop Dogg?
Hmm?
Are you on a mission?
Are you on a mission, Pikachu?
I don't know.
You don't know how to play Red Dead Redemption. You stupid. I might as well fire you.
So are you on a mission?
The missions are seeked. You are never on a mission. You look through the map. The mappy.
I don't see anything, Pikachu. Wait, is this considered a mission?
Well, don't make me pay for your glasses and contacts. What am I? Now I'm a pharmacist and an eye doctor and a dentist now?
Is this a mission, Pikachu?
I don't know. Use your brain for once, Pikachu. You disappoint me.
Guess
We're playing a game for fun. We're not killing the enemy.
I guess this is a mission, huh?
Oh my God, Pikachu, make me so sad.
Is that a mission?
I don't know, Pikachu. Stop asking stupid questions.
Okay.
If you know the yellow dots is a mission. Jesus. Hey, can you guys point in the map? Where is the mission? Like in Dora the Explorer. Say there, right there. On the red dot, there, I see it. Thank you, kids. And now a word from our sponsor. Just kidding, we have no ads. Thanks to you guys not liking the video. Please like the videos. I think it just fell in his last. And I made you guys miss it, so haha. So please like and I won't miss anything on the screen. But please like the video. Well, you killed my horse, Pikachu?
Yeah.
You fucking kidding? I mean, are you fluxing kidding me? Here, let's switch positions here. Give me the freaking controller. I might fire you.
I just suck at Red Dead Redemption.
Sorry, I'm gonna have to shoot my own horse now.
Oh, no.
Shit, I had no reviver.
Wait, should I show this?
I don't know. Do you want to show this?
It's a poor horse.
Chuck it right over. Shut up, Pikachu. You caused it. You make me sound like a black guy now. You're so mad I am. Get your ass out of here. No, I'm just kidding. We need the video. I might think of getting you fired.
No, I only make $1,000 a week.
That's sad. Who's your... Oh, yeah, I am. Yes.
In the first
now
week.
you'll be making $500 a month.
No.
Okay, you're fired.
That was the first week. Now I make $5,000 a week.
Fired.
But I make $5,000 a week. You can't fire. No, I'm your best bodyguard though.
You look in my body? I am my own bodyguard. It's bulletproof. All the bullets bounce back.
But you get kidnapped, and Woody had to save you.
When did he say that?
That happened a long time ago.
Who told you this?
That happened a year ago.
Because it's a lie. It was the opposite.
No, it's gonna be down in the description. The old video is down in the description.
You mean description of subscription, you idiot.
Down in the description.
And you're
below.
the YouTuber. Jesus Christ.
Oh.
What?
Whatever. It's not fun.
Did you just hit me? You just touched my face.
No.
You're boss.
I didn't. No.
No, you didn't.
I did
Can
not.
you guys comment in the link in the description? Comment down below. Should I fire him? Or should he kiss my ass?
None of the options, please. None.
Fine, then I will stab him in his sleep. But then I can't use a knife because he'll electrocute me, the current. Ah, fuck. My knife. You know what, you just fired.
I'm coming back next week, though.
No, you're not. Yeah, well, you'll get an electrocuted bullet in your head. Gee.
I can't die, but lightning actually makes me stronger. Bye, Snorfile.
Hey, can you do one more favor before you leave? And I'll consider not firing. Can you charge my controller?
It's not fun.
You don't even have to plug it in.
It's not.
No, seriously, I need the controller.
No. Thanks for watching.
Yes, I am the host of the video. Thank you for watching and comment down below more video ideas and recognition.
Yeah.
For real. And should I fire Pikachu? I don't know. That's what you guys are for. Thank you very much. And who should I hire next? Woody? Oops. Should Woody get a raise? Should Mario? Mario.
I'm your best buddy.
Mario.
Oh.
Mario is the one who I almost hit in the head with the mallet because he messed with my house that I built in that first video. And Pikachu, if you go here one more time, I'm gonna hit you with a baseball bat.
What? No,
I'm gonna get a baseball bat.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.
No. Oh, and